WhatsApp music status option missing on Android? Here's the fix. Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. Today, we're solving a common WhatsApp issue, the missing music status option on Android. If you've noticed you can't add songs to your WhatsApp status anymore, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 3 easy fixes to get the music feature back. Let's dive in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Section 1. Why is it missing? First, let's understand why this happens. The music status feature might disappear because of 1. An outdated WhatsApp version, 2. Restricted app permissions, or 3. Regional restrictions. But the good news? All of these have simple fixes. Section 2. Fix 1. Update WhatsApp. The easiest fix? Update WhatsApp. Sometimes, an old version disables certain features. Just open the Google Play Store, search for WhatsApp, and if there's an update available, tap Update. Once it's done, check if the music option is back. Section 3. Fix 2. Allow storage and media permissions. If updating didn't help, it could be a permissions issue. Go to Settings, Apps, WhatsApp, tap Permissions, and make sure storage and media access are enabled. Without these, WhatsApp can't access your music files. Section 4. Fix 3. Change region or use a VPN. In some countries, WhatsApp restricts music due to copyright laws. To fix this, try changing change region or use a VPN. In some countries, WhatsApp restricts music due to copyright laws. To fix this, try changing your Google Play Store region or use a VPN to switch to a country where music status is supported. This often restores the feature. Section 5. Bonus tip, clear cache. Still not working? Try clearing WhatsApp's cache. Go to Settings, Apps, WhatsApp, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. This won't delete your chats. It just refreshes the app. And that's it. 3 simple fixes to get your WhatsApp music status working again. If this helped, smash that like button, comment below if it worked for you, and check out my other videos for more WhatsApp tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Let me know if you want a YouTube Shorts version or an Urdu translation too.